Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today I'm going to show you how to make an orzo pasta with roasted mushrooms and gorgonzola cheese. So now I'm going to cut the Italian parsley for our orzo pasta salad, and today we're using this really great Italian parsley, and I don't need a whole bunch, so I'm just going to take off a few stems out of my bunch here. And Italian parsley is really great. It's this flat leaf parsley, and you can see the leaves here. However, it's very easy to confuse it with cilantro, especially in the store. A lot of times they put them right next to each other. So make sure you smell it and make sure that it is Italian parsley. It'll smell like curly leaf parsley or just parsley versus smelling like cilantro. And if you don't have Italian parsley available to you, or if you don't have access to Italian parsley, just go ahead and use curly leaf. Or if you don't like parsley at all, then don't even worry about adding it to this dish. But it really does bring a nice fresh flavor to your pasta. Now I'm removing the leaves from our Italian parsley here. And as you can see, some of these stems are pretty big and woody, and really just would not be very good. The older they get and the woodier they get, the more bitter they get. And so you want to make sure that you are removing the leaves. The little stems like this right here, that's okay. I just would make sure you remove any big thick stems because they're not very good to eat. So now that I removed all of the leaves from my Italian parsley stems, I'm just going to put them all together, roll them up, and I'm going to run my knife through them. And they don't have to be chopped perfectly, but you want to make them into a smaller piece so you don't get a whole mouthful of Italian parsley leaf. Just going to run my knife through here, run it through one more time, get anything we missed. Got a few leaves there that I missed. Excellent. And now I'm going to go ahead and place most of this into the bowl. I'm going to save just a little bit for our garnish. And I'm going to go ahead and stir it all up. And now we're ready to add our mushrooms back into the bowl.